In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add GTM into Jane app. By the end, you'll know how to set up Google Tag Manager, connect it to your website and Jane's online booking flow, verify it's working, and clearly document what you did. We'll start by creating a Google Tag Manager account. Head to Tag Manager and create a new account with a clear, recognizable name. Add a container for web, since we're tracking a website and an online booking experience. Once the container is created, you'll receive installation snippets. Keep that tab open. We'll place them shortly. Next, identify where you use Jane Online Booking. Some clinics link out to a hosted Jane booking page, while others embed or link from multiple pages on their site. Make a quick list of the URLs and buttons that lead people into the booking flow. This will help you set up accurate triggers and test thoroughly. If you have a website, and that's the recommended path, add the GTM container to your site's global template. Place the main snippet in the head and the no-script snippet where your platform recommends, usually near the opening body. Most CMS tools have a global header and footer area or a theme settings panel to paste these ones so they apply site-wide. Save and publish your changes. Now add triggers and tags in GTM. Create a GA4 configuration tag so your analytics baseline is in place. Then add event tags for the interactions that start the Jane journey, like clicking a Book Now button or any link that sends users to your Jane booking pages. A reliable approach is to create a trigger for clicks where the destination URL contains the Jane domain or a consistent booking path. If you run ads, add conversion tags now so that these clicks can be counted where it matters. Verify installation before moving on. Use GTM's preview mode to connect to your site, click through your booking buttons, and confirm that the intended tags fire. Cross-check in your analytics real-time view to ensure events are arriving. If nothing fires, confirm the snippets are in the right place and that you publish the latest GTM version. Track Jane booking actions thoughtfully. Because you can't inject scripts on hosted Jane pages, capture what you can from your site, the click that sends users to Jane, and any return to site confirmation or thank you pages if you use them. You can also trigger events based on recognizable URL patterns or page titles. If traffic crosses domains, enable cross-domain measurement so sessions remain intact. Finally, document your session, record the container version, the tags and triggers you created, notes on what each does, and screenshots of successful tests. Add a clear publish note so future you or your team knows exactly what changed and why. That's it. You've connected GTM to your site and mapped it to the Jane booking flow with confidence.